Now, this video tutorial looks at the mathematical strand of measurement and geometry, and more specifically, we're going to talk about Heron's law. Now, Heron's law is a law that allows us to find the area of a triangle when we are only given each of the side lengths. And we would use the following formula. So the area equals the square root of s, bracket s take a, bracket s take b, bracket s take c, where a, b, and c are the side lengths. But in order to find s, which is called our semi-perimeter, right, we need to add those three side lengths and then divide by 2. So let's look at a bit of an example question involving Heron's law. Now I've got the formula for Heron's law, which is here, and I've also got the formula for our s value, or semi-perimeter, which is here. And we're going to use this triangle to work it out. So the first thing we need to do is work out our s. Now remember, our s is our a plus our b plus our c all over 2, which in this particular case is 5 plus 6 plus 7 all over 2. Now 5 plus 6 plus 7 is 18, divided by 2 gives us 9. So our s value is 9. Therefore we can substitute that in. Our area therefore, equals the square root of s, bracket s take a, bracket s take b, bracket s take c. Now remember, we have brackets next to each other, it means times. So the area is going to be the square root of 9 times by 9 take 5 times by 9 take 6 times by 9 take 7. So this becomes the square root of 9 times 4 times 3 times 2. And we can work that out on a calculator. Okay, so 9 times 4 times 3 times 2 gives us 216. So that's the square root of 216. And that's going to give us an answer of approximately 14.7 centimeters squared. Okay, I'd like you to have a go at a practice question now. We've got a triangle here with lengths of 9, 10 and 14. I'd like you to find the area of it, so please feel free to pause the video, have a go at using Heron's law. Once you think you've got the correct answer, continue the video and we'll see how you went. Okay, so let's see how you went. You can see that I've got the formula here, so you can double check if you use the right formula. First thing we need to do is find out s. Now remember, s is our a plus our b plus our c all over 2. So this is going to be 9 plus 10 plus 14 all over 2. Which is going to be 2433 divided by 2, which is 16.5 centimeters. We're then going to substitute that value in to our formula, which is s take a, s take b, s take c. So this is going to be the square root of 16.5 bracket 16.5 take away 9, 16.5 take away 10, and 16.5 take away 14. So that will give us 16.5 times by 7.5, 6.5, and 2.5. So we'll work out what all that equals. So that equals approximately 2011. If we square root that, we get an answer of approximately 44.84 centimeters squared.